In this video, we'll take a look at some exercises you can do to keep your wrists and your fingers healthy. So begin with your hands, your palms on the ground or a comfortable surface. Keep your elbows straight and gently rock your upper body forward. It's normal to feel some tightness within the wrist region with this motion. Just be sure you don't go to a point where you create significant pain. Then go ahead and reverse your fingers so that they're pointing toward you, keeping your palms on the ground, and gently rock backward to create a stretch along the front side of your forearms. Next, go ahead and flex your wrists and put the backs of your hands on the ground and gently rock backward. Again, keeping your elbows relatively straight. All of these exercises will also help your elbow region. We'll keep all of the muscles and tendons going to your elbows at a healthy length. Next, keep your hands in fists. Put them on the ground and gently unroll one at a time so that you're resting for a moment on the back of your hand, alternating side to side, curling back up into a fist. Again, try to keep your elbows straight if you can. Next, with the fists, we'll go ahead and do ulnar and radial deviation. So trying to take your wrists through abduction and adduction. This can feel slightly awkward for some people. You don't need to do too much to feel ulnar and radial deviation, so be conservative. Next, we'll go ahead and put our hands on the ground, palms down, and we'll gently stretch the fingers. So this is the metacarpal phalangeal joint of each finger. We're rocking our body up and forward to create extension through this joint. And to create a bit of strength through your interphalangeal joints, we'll go ahead and keep your fingers as straight as possible, including your thumb. Have them contacting the ground, and just gently pulse a bit of your body weight down through your fingers. You can do all of these against a wall as well, as you're slightly leaning into the wall, which is helpful if you have knee issues. And then we'll go ahead and just roll out the wrists here, clockwise and counterclockwise. Just get the blood flowing. You can clasp your fingers together and roll your wrists around in circles. This is a great warm-up before any sort of activity involving the hands and the elbows and wrists. And next we'll get to the fingers. Go ahead and do long axis traction, so using one hand to extend on one finger at a time of the other hand, outward away from the palm. You can hold any of these stretches for as long as you would like. And then we'll work at extending each digit. So pulling back as far as you can comfortably go, and stretching out the tendons and ligaments of these joints. It's very useful for musicians who use their fingers. And then you can just do all of the digits at the same time, the 4 digits without the thumb, extending them backward. You can turn your arm around the other way for an extended stretch through your forearm as well. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, please use the comment section below. Thank you. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you and see you again soon.